Veggie Island brings you delicious plant-based dining in Tainan. Asian-inspired cuisine that challenges your perceptions of plant-based meals. Vegetarian fusion cuisine located in a historic guest house nearby Tainan's Shikan Tower. A hidden gem tucked away on a century-old street in Tainan full of cool, fun rock and roll vibes. A sensational vegan noodle shop passed down over 3 generations. A 2024 Michelin Guide selected restaurant specializing in vegetarian cuisine.